First we will import numpy as np. Numpy is used for multi-dimensional array. 5,5 will show 1 in 5 rows and 5 columns. D type represent the type of element which is integer. np.zeros bracket open 3,3 will show the 0 in 3 rows and 3 columns. Ones underscore array will show 1 in 5 rows and 5 columns. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt from pil import image. Matplotlib is used for visualization. PIL represent Python image library which is used for import image. %matplotlib.inline is used for keep all the picture inline. np.asArray bracket open sunflower underscore image bracket close will show the image in array format. Sunflower underscore array dot shape will show the shape of image in width and height. 3 represent dimension of image. plt.imshow bracket open sunflower underscore array bracket close. Here imshow will represent show the image. Sunflower underscore array dot shape will show the shape of image. Sunflower underscore red equal to sunflower underscore array dot copy function. In here copy function is used for copy the image. Sunflower underscore red dot shape will show the shape of image. Here we using 0, it will change the color of image. CMap equal to gray, it will convert image into gray color. CMap equal to PU BU, it will convert image into pure blue. With the help of this coding, we can change image into multiple color. Now we are going to make another project with the help of opencv. For this we will define variable array1 equal to np.asArray bracket open sunflower underscore image bracket close. It will show the image in the array form. Array1.shape will show the shape of image. Array1.copy function is used for copy the image. Sunflower underscore image1 is used for show the image in an array. opencv is an open source computer vision library. imwrite is used for read the image. Here we will give the image link. Type bracket open, image bracket close will show the type of image. Image.shape will show the shape of image. CVT color is used for convert color of image. W underscore ratio equal to 0.5 will show the width of image. H underscore ratio equal to 0.5 will show the height of image. cv2.flip is used for flip the image format. cv2.imwrite is used for save the image. Here we are going to access our own image. cv2.wait key is used for allow users to display a window for given millisecond or until any key is pressed. Through this coding we can capture live video. Thanks for watching this video.